Hello guys, welcome to another video. So before I start for the today's session, I'm going to discuss a little bit on the recent trainings which we are going to conduct. So we are having HANA administration training from 27th or 28th of September, so end of the September. And also we have our new batch for BTP administration training that will be starting from 1st of October. And also we have other trainings are going on. You can just check our website. And also I'm having a system refresh webinar on 22nd September, that is on Sunday. So now moving back to the today's topic. So today I'll discuss a little bit on the Cloud LM. So what SAP Cloud LM we have. So this is more into your just a briefing kind of session, but the actual the steps or the technical implementations I'm not going to cover. So you can just see what exactly I'm showing you in the session. So generally what happens, the Cloud LM we are using for the end-to-end monitoring. So today I'm going to discuss on the health monitoring section. So health monitoring is something that we are going to discuss. So if you want to monitor your S/4HANA systems, or if you also want to monitor your Cloud LM health information, or generally if you want to set up a monitoring between your on-premises to your Cloud LM, because the data has been replicating from your on-premises system through the Heartbeat agents, and those data will be replicated in the Cloud LM dashboard, and you can see here. So the only thing you need to do is log into the Cloud LM dashboard, and there you can just go to the operation section, and here you can see the health monitoring. So the moment you go to the health monitoring section, so the monitoring setup and the configurations has to be done in both in Cloud LM and also has to be done in the S/4HANA system. So currently, if I want to check for the S/4HANA or maybe integration suite or anything I want to see, so I need to just go here and need to check it. Example, I want to filter with the services. So I can just go here. I can just filter the services. I can define the scope here. So I'll just select which are the things I am having in the scope. So I'll select the services here. So you have either systems or the services. So based on that, so whatever systems I'll select here. So based on that, I can see the data. But generally, this is more helpful when you are going for the SAP S/4HANA system. So if you just select this one, and now I can see also the specific information. So generally what happens if I'm going to SAP S/4HANA, I'll just click on here. I'll see the system's data is there, which is your S4P system. So currently there is no data received because it is not connected to any system right now. So in my training, what I do, I set up the end-to-end connections. I guide you how to set up the monitoring. How you need to create the dedicated users for Cloud LM setup, how you're going to set up the configurations, how you need to activate the use cases. And also I'll be discussing on how you're going to add the system information in the S/4HANA system so that the hardware job will be running and the data will be populated. That's the reason you don't see any alert information here, but in a real time, if you set up the data, so all this information will be populating here. For an example, if I want to see the data for S/4HANA Cloud, so you'll be getting to see it since this is a cloud system. So the configuration for cloud system and other things both are different. And here you can also see the detailed information, the database size and database tables and all the allocation related application jobs. Also, you can see the memory related matrices. So that you see only very less option here because of, this is a demo tenant, so that's the reason. But in real time, you can also set up the alert notification here. You can just go here, the metrics overview, you can come to the settings, and there you can see this option. You can just select it, whichever system you want to, just select this for HANA, and you can set up your email ID. So you can just go to the events and you can set up your email ID here. Because since a demo tenant, you cannot do anything here, but these are live covered in my training. So if you're joining your Cloud LM training, so there I'll be guiding you how to set up end-to-end monitoring. Also, I'll be discussing on how to set up the events, and also I'll be giving the threshold for the end-to-end Cloud LM monitoring. And apart from that, I'll also tell you for the alert notifications, how you're going to do the configuration for the Teams notification and also email notification. There are hundreds of use cases are there in our Cloud LM training. We discuss S/4HANA, Ariba, CIG, also on the CPI side. So we discuss a lot of things on how to do the end-to-end monitoring setup, and then that will be definitely helping you. So this is primarily more into the Cloud LM is something that having different use cases based on the different functionalities. So each and every configuration is different. But this is really helpful because if you want to know example on the integration suite, you can just go here, you can see. So there is no data also because you need to do the configuration in integration suite tenant and also in the Cloud LM. So the configuration works in both the side. So that's the reason this is one of the case of health monitoring. So in my next video, I'll be covering another case for the integration monitoring or the exception monitoring. So I'll be showing you one or two situations. But if you want in-depth knowledge, how to set up the monitoring, what are the prerequisites, how to define the prerequisites, how to create a cloud LM tenant, how to create a service key, how to do the configuration. So all these things are detailed discussed in our training, and the training is a very nominal price what other people are offering. So you can just join and get the advantage of the training. Okay, I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do subscribe and please share it among your friends who are looking for Cloud LM training. So thank you for watching the video. Have a great day.